All right, on to the next concern. I don't know my size. Everything fits differently. I like this question because I can give you guys some insights. As I mentioned earlier in this video, if you guys haven't checked out the full video, the beginning, I am not some girl on the internet just running my mouth, but I have definitely did my 10,000 hours working in the fashion industry, whether it was styling. I don't do celebrity styling, but personal styling, image consulting. I've done editorials for magazines, e-commerce styling, as well as visual merchandising. And now I've been tapping into working with fashion designers in design and product development. So a lot of designers have their own measurement system within their brands. I know when you see a size chart, you think it's just universal, but designers definitely have their way of designing. So if sometimes they cut under the seam or some of them cut above. So depending on which one they do, that is taking off a half an inch or inch or however much else from the seams when they're cutting it. So that leads it to being more of a little bit smaller, a little bit more snug. So when you are a size from one brand, you may be something different with another brand. And that's because designers have their own way of designing and cutting and sewing within the seams, under the seams. It's all different within their company. They have their own proprietary. So it's just like how you go to one house or one marriage, it operates one way, another marriage operates another way. It's the same thing with designers. How they design and construct their garments, it's definitely different. It may be similar, but it's definitely different. We all don't know. And that is why you may be a size 4 in one brand, but the other one, the size 6 is fitting very, very tug. It's very, very loose. Like this shirt right here is a small, but it's fitting like a medium. And if you are trying on things that are European style, they are even cut even smaller. So I am just giving you guys the insight of me being in the lab with a lot of these designers, as well as just reading and taking classes, and just tightening up on my sewing skills. That is how some of these clothes work. So I hope this was very, very helpful. It is a strategy that I would tell you is to take your own measurements. If you can't take your own measurements, go to a seamstress or a tailor, tell them that you need measurements for something, and have them take all of your measurements around your bust, your stomach, your hips, your thighs, your inseams. Take it all over and carry that. Take that note, keep that note forever. And then when you are out shopping, ask them for their size so that you can compare your notes with theirs. So that is a strategy, the advice, as well as some insight so that you can shop better. All right.